I'm Georgina from BBC Learning English. Do you ever wonder about the difference between whisper, murmur and mumble? They are all used to describe different ways of speaking quietly. Whisper means to speak quietly, often on purpose, so that only someone very close can hear what you're saying. I don't want everyone to hear. I'll have to whisper. I've got a secret to tell you. I'll have to whisper it though. Murmur means to speak quietly, often in a low, continuous voice, so it's hard to understand. I love you, she murmured in her sleep.
Do you want to go for a coffee?
I can't hear what you're saying. Stop murmuring. Mumble means to speak quietly, often in a low voice, making it difficult to understand. She's always mumbling and complaining very quietly, so I can't hear. It drives me mad.
I'm really sorry, I shouldn't have eaten the last biscuit.
That was a really mumbled apology. I could hardly hear it. Bye.